Welcome to Pryvate. Signing up for your SME corporate account is quick and easy. Let's get started. Step 1. First, enter your company name. Step 2. Next, enter your primary email address. This will be your login and management email. Important, use a different email than your private single-user account. Step 3. Now, choose your username. This will be your display name. Remember, it can contain letters and numbers, but no spaces or special characters. Step 4. Create a secure password, then re-enter it to confirm. Step 5. Enter your mobile number. Step 6. Complete the verification step to confirm you're human, then click Next. Step 7. Now select the number of user accounts your company requires from the drop-down menu. Step 8. Your monthly cost will be displayed. Click Continue to proceed to the PayPal payment portal, where you can complete your purchase instantly. That's it! Your SME corporate account is now set up and ready to go. Welcome to Pryvate.